icon.
Yan. O, icon na ako ngayon.
Yes po, thank you so much.
I was born poor, but I made a promise to myself I will not die poor. But nobody believes me. I concentrate in my restaurant because my husband believes in my capability. Sabi ng asawa ko sa akin, ang dami ng taong gumamit sa'yo. This time ako ang gagamit sa'yo because I believe in you. True enough. True enough. Isang tao lang pala yung kinakailangan may maniwala sa'yo para magawa mo yung
Push
task.
mo.
Hindi ako tumingin ng mga college graduate. Ang tinignan ko is a worker. Yung may puso din. Kagaya kung puso kasi ang gamit ko eh. Kaya nasasaktan ako pag tinuloko ako, naiyak. So dahil puso nga to eh. So feeling ko, pag tama yung puso mo sa negosyo, bawal ba sa mga ugali? I always make sure na I am aligned with what I believe in. So pag I believe being a leader, you have to show it. Dapat makita nila sa iyo para they will follow. I trust them. They trust me. So, alam nila na mapapagkatiwalaan ako. So, pero pakita ko na sa kanila na kaya ko rin kayong pagkatiwalaan. Basta, adjust. Of course. You really have to adjust and you really have to adapt. Pag tinignan mo rin yung mga posting ko, siya yan. Pati boses, lahat. Kasi importante na pag may negosyo ka, baka kasi magkaroon ng emergency, lang stop. I have 100
Dalawang branch na.
dalawang branch. 105 families ang kailangan.
Okay, support.
So, hindi kami po pwedeng mahalaga sa akin yung pagkatao ko. Follow strictly the 10 commandments. Yan yung pagkatao ko. I follow the golden rule. Kung ano yung ayaw kong gawin sa akin, I will not do that to others. Ayaw ko nakuhin ako, hindi ako manlulok. Pero ang daming manlulok. But I still choose to be nice. Success means Wilma Dawson. Sa akin kasi ang successful health. Good health, peace of mind is my success. Yung sleep, long hours of sleep, I'm a princess. That's success. I have good food. That's success. We have to innovate because that is the don't do unto others what others you don't want to do unto you. That is the golden rule of being successful. Hindi sila ready sa reality. Yung working class ngayon nasa idealistic sila, era. Wala sila sa realistic. Akala nila pag nagkatrabaho ka, successful ka. They don't know na pag you have to work from the roots for you to be able to climb up. Sila gusto na from here, manager na. Walang work experience pag-apply sa'yo, magkano po yung salary. Wala ko pa nga pinapatunayan sa akin, tatanay mo magkano ibibigay ko sa'yo.